Hey, thank you for tuning in. Um, it's gonna happen to you. You're gonna drop your multimeter probe, and it's gonna ruin the fine tip. So today I'm gonna show you how to either how you can still be able to use this by adding a needle to the tip. That way you can still continue using it, and you have a pointy tip that you can use. And if this breaks, you can just replace it with another needle. All right. So first thing I did was made a cut on the plastic on the side of the plastic next to the probe. Um, yeah, I made a couple of cuts in there just by pressing in on the blade. That is so that we can use the needle and be able to press it in. It sits close to probe. All right. Then we're going to use a little bit of flux. I'm going to add a little flux on there, just so that the solder can flow evenly or more smooth. All right. Trying to blend you guys. Hold the needle in place with my tweezers close to the probe. I'm going to add a little bit of solder and keep adding to it until I have enough on there that the needle stays. Now be careful to keep your solder point on there too much or too long, because it will will distribute the heat through the probe and onto the plastic of your probes here, and then it will move or melt, distort your probe or the plastic handle. See, now this does not have to be perfect, but you do want to have enough solder on there so that the needle does not move. I think that's as close as what I'm going to get for it being straight. Yep, that's as close as I'm going to get. Now, you can see right now it's a little flimsy, right? This is what I got going on. Maybe. All right, so it's soldered on there. Okay, it's a little flimsy. All right, I mean it'll work, but I'm going to use a little bit of shrink tubing on there. And I'm just going to use my hot air station and get the shrink tubing to help us hold that needle in place. It should be a little bit more stiffer now. Okay. plug this in. I already did my positive side. All right. Now let's test it out. Now, if you only want to do it on one probe, because you're either gonna use one probe to put on ground and the other one to check your points. You can only do one if you want, or do both. Right now, we're gonna test this in diode mode. Take a look at your lower left corner there, and see what we got. Okay. It looks like we got problems on pin number 1 and 2, but small enough to where you are able to insert this in that pin. We got OL there, 0, 954, 954, 0, 0. Now, when you do this with something that's super fine, you're just gonna have to make sure that wherever you have your needle at, it's not moving on you, because it is super easy for it to move. Okay, and you get the idea. You get some other little caps and filters that you can test with this. It is going to be, because it's super long, I mean, I guess you can cut the needle down. I was just using something that I had here, otherwise I would be using a shorter needle. And there it is. So yeah, if you want, you just cut the length of the needle. That way this tip is not all the way too far out. If you want, just cut it up to where it just passes the original needle, and you have your same length for your probes. Or diode. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This side. And nothing on this side. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps. And if you like the channel or content, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Any questions, comments, concerns, use the comment section. Thank you for watching.